Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 29th of September, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 2.3, utilizing the same notes that we used for last night's lesson for 2.2. In accelerated math, we've got practice 3.5 with our chapter 3 test coming up this Friday. In science, there is no homework for regular science. However, we do have a measurements test this Friday. For the accelerated science class, you need to finish Virtual Lab Unit 6, Lesson 6, and you will have a matter test on this Friday. In social studies, we need to study our timeline key terms and practice our timeline skills as we do have a quiz tomorrow. In language arts, we have a writer's notebook, chapter 11. This is our final entry. Remember, you're going back and pulling an old piece of writing that's kind of your diamond in the rough that you want to go through and explain why you may want to write on that. Again, there are 3 questions to go with that. You also have the study guide because we have a writer's notebook test coming up Thursday. That study guide was handed out today in class via paper if you wanted to. It's also posted on our stream. For the accelerated class, you need to read a writer's notebook, chapters 9 and 10. Entry for chapters 9 is optional for extra credit, and you do have to do an entry for chapter 10. You will also have a test on Thursday, and you have your study guide with you. In literature, a week from this Friday, our AR goal is due. All the points that you need to have must be met by then. Also, Chapter 6, the SAM illusion questions. Those are due by 3 o'clock today. You have to watch a short 5-minute video and answer 3 questions. In CNL, you need to put time into your goal for the Working on Working project. That is due on Thursday. That's going to be it for today. Everybody have a fantastic Tuesday. And go Indians.